stormy weather, it's cloudy weather, you know, the rain shall fall. New PsiloSage single out now. Shouts out to the lightning, the wind and rain, the trees, the birds, the breeze. Rain shall fall, yeah, the rain shall fall. It's the end of the kings, yeah, their rain shall fall. We hear in every season. With the trees just breathing. There's a lot of moisture in the air right now, a lot of wind. I don't know if streaming gives off more of a signal for the clouds, hopefully not. But if we get struck by electricity, y'all will get that stream of consciousness, live and direct. Shout out to J Electronica, by the way. Speaking of electricity, get that Tesla charge. We got Act 1 and Act 2 on streaming. Shout out to Legend. Those that know, we met, PsiloSage met J Electronica in San Francisco back in, I believe 2018, may have been 2016 or 17, somewhere around there. Forget off the top. Some of those years blur together, like 2016, 17, 18 kind of fit together in that way. Check out this rare painting though. Very unique background, one of one, sketched by nature and life. This painting will never exist again. It's just here now. Just be soaking it in, all the rare sounds, all the rare visions.